Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to search old emails in Gmail really fast. If you have thousands of emails and can't find an old message, attachment, or sender, this full guide for 2026 will save you a lot of time. First, go to Gmail and click on the search bar at the top. Most people just type random words here, but Gmail search is way more powerful than that. To find emails from a specific person, type from and then their email address or name. You can also use to if you remember who you sent the email to. If you remember any word from the email or subject line, just type it in the search bar. Even one unique word can help Gmail find very old emails. Now click the small arrow on the right side of the search bar. This opens advanced search filters, and this is where things get powerful. You can narrow results by date using before or after options. This is perfect when you know the email was sent a few years ago. If you're looking for files, type has.attachment. You can also search by file type like PDF, document, or image. For faster results, combine filters together. For example, sender plus keyword plus attachment. This reduces thousands of emails down to just a few. If your emails are labeled, open a label first and then search. Gmail will only search inside that label, making results much faster. For very old emails, be patient and try different combinations. Use sender name, date range, and keywords together. This usually works even for emails from many years ago. And that's how to search old emails in Gmail fast in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.